Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Galaxy S7 Edge, restoring Samsung notes from Galaxy Note 7 Smart Switch backup. I'll have that coming right up. In 2016, my wife and I were two of the many people who purchased a Galaxy Note 7, and we all know what ended up happening to the Galaxy Note 7. One of the things that we did was we replaced it with an S7 Edge, which was an absolutely fantastic phone, and we both enjoyed having it. However, the notes that we took on the Note 7 were not transferring over via Smart Switch. After many conversations via direct message on Twitter, I finally got the answer from Samsung. It was not available on the internet, and it did take a lot of work, but I did end up getting that answer. So what I did was, and this was before I started BillTheTechnologyReviewer, I put together this video. Now, I apologize in advance. This was from my laptop webcam, which I've since replaced with a Logitech webcam, which is much better. And the other thing was, I didn't do screenshots. I didn't know how to be able to do that at the time. So they were via my phone. So I do apologize for those in advance. But this will be a very helpful tutorial if you're in this type of position. So let's go ahead and roll that clip.
S7 Edge Guru here with your first of many hopeful tips that will help you with your S7 Edge. Now, this is coming from a former Note 7 owner. One of the things that I had a problem with was we used Samsung Smart Switch to back up the Note 7. We got S7 Edges, obviously, since I'm the S7 Edge Guru. Well, it seemed that Samsung Smart Switch was great software, but when you tried to hook up the S7 Edge to it and download your S Notes, guess what? Couldn't do it. That would be grayed out. Let me show you here on my phone. I took a screenshot of what Smart Switch looked like, and the checkbox for Samsung Notes was grayed out. You couldn't select it. So I emailed Samsung and got on support with them, spent over an hour and a half with them. They said, yeah, this is a known software issue. Yeah, we're going to get this taken care of. Yeah, just be patient with us. Well, 3 weeks went by. And I said, you know what? My wife wanted to access her notes. I wanted to access my notes. How do I get this handled? So I emailed Samsung again. Actually, I sent them a direct message on Twitter, and they came back and they said, oh, yeah, we have the answer. It's real easy. You just go out to the App Store and download Samsung Notes. I'm like, okay, how long has this been out there? Well, we don't know how long it's been out there, but it's out there. It's available for you to use. So I said, okay. So I went out and I looked, and sure enough, out on the App Store, Samsung Notes. For free, of course, downloaded it, and wouldn't you know, after I downloaded it, I could select Samsung Notes from the S7, or from, sorry about that. I could download it from using the Note 7 backup. Did that, boom, 5 minutes later, had it all there. It was all good to go. So problem solved. I wanted to get this out there for everybody so they could take a look at it. Sorry, I'm just trying to get used to doing something on YouTube and being the S7 Edge guru that I am. Just wanted to give you this tip because I know I'm probably not the only person that's run into this. And the Notes feature on the Note 7 is, well, you know, besides everything else that was cool about it, that was the one thing I really liked, was being able to take those notes and using the pen and doing that. Well, your problem is solved, got your notes restored, back on your S7 Edge.
I hope this was something that was able to help you out, and I believe this is still applicable today if, say for instance, you're going from a Note phone to another Galaxy smartphone, if that happens to be the case. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the technology industry, and also on Twitter, where I do the same as well. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.